Can AI preach like a real church minister and still sound powerful and motivational? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional AI church preacher using completely AI tools. But first, take a look at these short clips I created with AI.
If you still have breath in your body, then your purpose is not finished. Listen, 3 C's: chance, choice, consequence. Created by chance, given a choice, and you will face the consequence of the choice you make today. Didn't come this far to stop now. Destiny is elongating. This is not the season to be silent. This is the moment to rise.
Wow, did you see the energy in her voice? She looks real, preaches with authority, and inspires people, all without a studio and without spending a single dollar. Most people think you need a big church, expensive cameras, or many years of preaching experience before you can spread the word of God and reach the people around the world. But the truth is, not anymore. AI has made it possible for anyone with a message to share inspiration, preach powerful sermons, and reach thousands of people online. So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can create your own AI preacher that looks real, sounds powerful, and delivers motivational sermons. Let's jump right into it and see how it is done. So this is where everything gets started. You want to create an image for our minister. We want to create a female minister. So I'm going to open ChatGPT and type this raw idea there. I came to ChatGPT and I typed this. I said I want to create an image of an elegant female minister confidently preaching to a large congregation inside a modern spacious church. The stage is at the center of the big auditorium. She stands at the center of the stage wearing white suit gown, delivering a powerful and motivational message to the audience, while the audience sit quietly, attentively listening to her. So it depends on what you want to create. You can create a male minister or female minister. Just use this as a model to create yours. And also you can ask ChatGPT to optimize it for you if you think your prompt is not okay. Create an image of an elegant African female minister. So let me just put African female minister, and I want it to be 16:9 aspect ratio. If you're creating this for YouTube, it's going to be 16:9 aspect ratio, but if you're creating for Facebook and all other platforms, the aspect ratio is going to change, like 9:16 or 1:1 aspect ratio. So this is my raw idea that I want ChatGPT to create for me. So just send this and see what ChatGPT is going to give us with this. So this is the results ChatGPT gave us. Look at the picture. It looks so beautiful. So, and that is what we have here. But I can use another image generator to create another one, so to compare it. So in this case, I'm going to be using Flow. You type in Google FS image. Once you type in Google FS image, you want to come to this place and click Labs Google /FS, and we have different options here. We can create image. Also we can use Flow to create image and video. So let's come to Flow. So you click on new project. So we want to create image. You can create text to video, frame to video, ingredient to video. Then we create image. We click on create image, and don't forget to edit this place to 16:9 aspect ratio. Since we are using it for YouTube channel, I want to put in the prompt as it is there. Then you send. Google Flow is creating 2 images for us, and that is what we have here. You can see how beautiful it is. So you can actually compare it to the one ChatGPT created and pick the best. It seems I love this one. This one looks great, so I can save this. So now the next thing we want to do, we want to convert our image. Since we've created our image, we want to convert our image to video. So we are going to be using Grok AI. So I'm going to open Grok AI. You can download it on your phone. Also, we have Grok AI from Play Store or Apple Store. Then once it is opened, you're going to come to this place. You're going to click on imaging. This icon here, that is the attached icon, you're going to click on it. You're going to click on it and upload a file. You click on upload a file, and from there you're going to pick the picture you want Grok AI to convert to video for you. Now we want to turn the image into a talking picture. This is where magic happens. So what you're going to do now, once we have already uploaded the picture to Grok, you need to paste your script. We copied the script from ChatGPT and you paste it in here, talking about the script. There are some 3 elements that need to be included in the script that you want to paste here. The camera movement, okay? You can see it here. It's a fast cinematic zoom in towards the minister's upper body and face as she speaks. So ChatGPT can give you an idea for your camera movement. Another element that needed to be here, the style. You have to include the style. We are having the cinematic realism, smooth motion, dramatic lighting, and high energy. And the dialogue is very important. The dialogue, what I want her to say is, this is not the season to be silent. This is the moment to rise. This is what I want the movement to be. A confident female minister in a white suit gown steps forward from the center of a modern church stage while passionately preaching. Okay, and she works with purpose and authority. Her movement bold and expressive, and that is what I want the movement to be. So you describe your movement, the motion, you describe the camera movement, you describe the style, then you add the dialogue. And there's one other one, you can add your emotion also to it.
So I'm going to input this emotion: I, passion, urgency, and determination. So this is what I want to input as the emotion. Then I'm going to send it. Let's hear what Grok has created for us.
This is not the season to be silent. This is the moment to rise. This is
mind-blowing. You can see the minister steps forward from the stage. She speaks with authority and she is so energetic. Hardly will you take her for an AI. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to download this into my device. So I want you to take note of this next step. For us to make your minister to continue her movement from where she stops, you will have to screenshot her last moves. So if you are using phone, just screenshot it from your phone. If you are on computer, use this snippet tool to screenshot it this way, the way I'm doing it. You then crop it and save the picture in your device, because we'll be using this picture for our next video. So this will make the minister maintain consistency in appearance and smooth movement flow into the next video. It's very important. You need to screenshot it. Once it has been screenshot, crop it. You crop out the pictures and save it to your device. So this, we are using it to create another video for the next video that we want to create. So this will make the minister maintain consistency in appearance, and it will make her to have smooth movement flow into the next video. Okay, so after all this has been done, so let's try to create another video that flows from where she stopped. So I can simply tell ChatGPT to create a camera sequence that flows immediately after the last movement. I mean the camera movement. So what I'm going to do now is just to paste the last camera movement here and send it to ChatGPT. So I want to tell ChatGPT to create the next move. It's created a follow-up camera movement that we'll be using next. So let us head over to Grok. I want to upload the picture I just screenshot from here. Then I copy my prompts from ChatGPT. That is my camera movement. I will copy the camera movement and paste it here in Grok. Also, I'm going to paste the style, the dialogue, and the emotion. Okay, which is very important. So I want you to take note of the dialogue. It has to be in quotation, and you have to make sure it is well punctuated so the minister can sound human. Okay, this is highly important. So after all this have been imputed, so I'm going to send. So let's see what Grok created for us.
Listen, 3 C's: chance, choice, consequence. Created by chance, given a choice, and you will face the consequence of the choice you make today.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at what Grok created for us. Just look at the video. It's amazing. She is so energetic and speaks with real authority. Her movements are smooth and her voice carries so much inspiration. Isn't that incredible? This is truly powerful. Now the next step is simple. Download the video to your device. Once you've done that, we can move on to the next stage of creating your own AI church preacher.
Wait, before you upload that video, the next step is what separates amateur video from professional ministry content. So what you need to do is to edit it like a pro. So we'll be using CapCut.
At this point, you now know how to create your own AI preacher that looks real and sound powerful. Imagine using this to share sermons, motivational messages, or Bible teaching with thousands of people online. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe, because I will be showing you more ways to use AI to create powerful content. And remember, technology is not just for entertainment, it can also be used to spread inspiration and the word of God. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.